Good morning, everybody. This is Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today, everybody, we have some air fried chicken that's about to be put in the air fryer, everybody. Now, this is a recipe that we love. This is our honey chicken fire and smoke seasoning sweet pepper that we love putting on our chicken, everybody. This is one of our favorites in the family. And we put like garlic powder with it. We put onion powder. We put some garlic powder as well. Some Lawry's garlic salt. And we also put a little bit of this in there too. This is another one of our favorites. Grill Mates Sweet and Smoky Rub. Okay, that's one of our secrets too. This is what we really love to make our wings pop in the family, everybody. So we're going to put this in the air fryer. And we're going to turn it over in 12 minutes and let it cook for another 12 minutes. And then it should be done, everybody. Now, these are frozen wings, everybody. I went on and rinsed them out and everything already prior to putting them in the freezer. So they're clean, but they're still frozen. So we can still cook these as frozen, everybody. That's a good thing about an air fryer. Okay, we can do this, all right? So we're going to put these over here and line them on in there. And stay tuned for a lot more. Follow us. Also, I forgot to mention, everyone, we have garlic on top of that. We put the dehydrated garlic, okay, on top of that. So it's garlic minced, but it's dried right here. We put that also in that bag and shook it on up. Now, the reason why we shake it up in that bag is because it'll distribute all the seasons evenly with a lots of flavor. Look at every single one is touched with some good seasoning, everybody. Okay, now remember, these are frozen. Look, they are frozen. Okay, we're going to show you how it looks after we turn it on and turn it over in 12 minutes. All right, you guys, it's time to turn it over. Look at that, everybody. Ooh, it smells wonderful. It's doing just like how we want it. Now, see, it's softening up. Remember how frozen it was? Now, look how soft it is. I'm telling you, the air fryer is a beautiful thing. So, we're going to turn all these over and let it cook evenly, everybody. And then we're going to let it cook for the rest of the 12 minutes that's on the clock here. So, we'll be right back. All right, everybody, here we are. 12 minutes later, here it is. Look at that. Don't that look delicious? Now, there's some flavor. I'm talking about flavors in your chicken, everybody. If you bring some bland chicken to the church, they're going to talk about you like a dog. It's going to have to look like it's cooked with flavor. Okay, you guys, it's very simple with the air fryer. Okay, now, we're going to eat this morning with some nice thick grits, everybody. Yes, we already have a tutorial how I made grits on our YouTube channel. Go over there and check it out. But how you like your grits? Thick, runny? Or how about some nice, perfect, creamy grits, everybody? Or creamy grits. How do you like your grits? Anyway, I'm about to sit down and enjoy my breakfast while my grandson-in-law and granddaughter is out enjoying their anniversary. So follow me on YouTube for a lot